Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's the recipe of a special pastry filled with pastrami, cheese, red and green peppers. Hope you give it a go. Saute 1 finely chopped long green pepper and 1 capia pepper with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil for about 3 minutes and set aside to cool down. Cut the phyllo pastry into 6 or 8 pieces. For the filling, combine cooled down peppers with 1 diced tomato, 150 grams of sliced pastrami, and 150 grams of grated mozzarella and mix thoroughly. Place generous amount of filling on the long edge of the phyllo pastry, fold the edges inward and roll. Fry the rolls by rotating. Serve immediately. Hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching.